Andile Jali 2021-22 season versus Teboho Mokoena 2022-23 season. Now I want you to tell me who had a better season between these two players. Andile Jali 2021-22 season, he won the midfielder of the season. He won the player of the tournament, Team 8, and the player of the tournament, Gwyneth Bank Cup. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns took these 3 cups. So he won the player of the tournament. Kuzo Zoe 2 easy, domestic cups easy, and then he was the midfielder of the season with PSL. And this is because Peter Shalilele came back with it with 15 goals scored with league. And he wasn't even the top scorer of the league. It was Bradley Krobler with 16, but Shalilele walked away with the player of the season because he had scored 22 goals throughout the whole season. Moving to Teboho Mokoena. Teboho Mokoena won the player of the season in 2022-23 season, and he also won the midfielder of the season. He didn't win the players player of the season because I think Monapule Saleng won it because he was the one that he was competing with. Monapule Saleng went on to score 15 goals throughout that season, 11 in the league. Now I want you to come forward and tell me, Baba, who do you think had a better season between the two? Not who's better between the two, because the other one is still going on with the career yakhe, and the other one has practically retired, which is u-Andile Jali. Ndiyanicela ningasebenzisi feelings, but nje nitsho, who do you think had a better season between the 2021-2022 Andile Jali and 2022-23 Teboho Mokoena?